Hey guys, Blake here with Rack Attack. Welcome back to your go-to channel for all things gear and outdoor adventures. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the brand new drawer systems released from our friends over at Decked. Let's go take a look. Alright, let's dive right into it. The first thing you're going to notice is the load-bearing platform on the top of the drawer system. This is going to be able to hold up to 1,000 pounds. Pretty much hold whatever you throw at it. So let's talk drawers. Now the old system that Decked had was that you ended up having one big drawer accompanied by a smaller drawer. In this case, Decked redid everything about the Decked system and really made it so you can maximize the capabilities of your bed. In this case, they ended up opting in for one big, massive drawer. Now with the old system, each drawer was rated to 200 pounds load capacity. In this case, Decked didn't end up skimping on anything. This is also going to be able to hold 400 pounds of load that you're going to be able to put in your drawer. Pretty sweet. Remember the old ammo cans in the previous Decked systems? Those are history. Decked actually got rid of those and opted in for new pass-through systems, meaning you're going to be able to utilize all this extra space all the way up to your wheel well, so you can use your Decked and customize it how you would like. For instance, adding in an onboard air compressor or even a second battery is a breeze. Now, here's the kicker. Brand new tie-down rings. Decked included this in each corner of the system. These are going to be rated up to 400 pounds dynamic load rating, meaning anything you throw at it. We're talking load of wood, bikes, kayaks, you name it, this thing is going to be able to get you from A to B. So there you have it, the brand new Decked system, complete with new drawers, pass-throughs, and tie-down rings. Honestly, this is going to be your new best friend when packing up for all your future adventures. If you're trying to get your hands on one of these or anything else that we offer, visit us at one of our 40+ locations in North America or stop by at rackattack.com. See you out there.